Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to learn about basics of baking technology. Come, let's get into the contents. Baking is a method of preparing food that uses dry heat, typically in an oven, includes hot ashes or hot stones. Commonly known baked food product is bread. All the three modes of heat transfer takes place: conduction, convection, radiation. Conduction, solid to solid. Convection, air, liquid to liquid or solid. Radiation, directly to the surface. Different bakery products: bread, cake, biscuits, cookies, bagel, bun, flatbread, muffins, crackers, tart, pie, torta, croissants, pastry. Ingredients in bakery. Ingredients are broadly classified into major ingredients and minor ingredients. Major: flour, sugar, water. Minor: colors, flavors, fat, milk, bread improvers, leavening agents, shortenings, acidulants, stabilizers, emulsifiers, etc. Flour is the main ingredient in bakery, which is used in large quantities. When we talk about flour, we include different kinds of flours: wheat, rice, maize, soybeans, barley, potato, oats, rye, millets, wheat flour. All different flours are used in combination with wheat flour, since wheat is the good source of gluten. It provides bulk and structure to the bakery products. Gluten has the ability to form dough and retain gas. Commonly used varieties are Triticum aestivum, Triticum durum. The wheat flour is further classified into hard wheat and soft wheat. Hard wheat has high protein content, 11 to 13%. Used primarily for yeast-leavened products such as breads, bagels, croissants, etc. Soft wheat has low protein, 8 to 10%, used for chemically and mechanically leavened products such as biscuits, muffins, pastries, cakes, breakfast cereals, etc. Properties of wheat flour. The flour for a particular product is selected according to its strength. The strength of the flour is the capacity of the flour to make tough and elastic dough. The main reason behind the strength of the wheat flour is glutenin and gliadin, proteins present in the wheat flour. When glutenin and gliadin comes in contact with water, they form protein called gluten, which contributes to dough strength. Formation of gluten creates an elastic, extensible matrix. High-quality gluten entraps large amounts of the carbon dioxide produced by yeast fermentation. The strength of a flour is depend on wheat variety, protein content, growing conditions, milling process, blend of wheat varieties, storage conditions, bleaching, maturation time. Types of wheat products used in bakery: flour, whole wheat grains, cracked wheat grains, bran fiber, germ nutrients, gluten-modified dough, protein isolates, sprouted wheat flour, all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour is made from milling of endosperm of wheat kernel. It is also called as maida. It contains medium amount of protein used in most of the bakery products. Oat flour. Oat flour is obtained from milling of oats. It has a high protein content, 17%. Does not form gluten, can be substituted for as 1/3 of wheat flour. Cornmeal or corn flour, obtained from coarsely grounded corn. It does not form gluten, used along with wheat flour or maida. Rice flour. It contains about 6.5 to 7% protein, does not form gluten. People with gluten allergies can prefer rice flour. Products are rough and not elastic in nature. That's for today. We continue in next video about other ingredients.